Ayun, so hi guys, I'm Dr. Sergi. So medyo late na, mag-aalauna ng umaga. So tapos na tayo sa last procedure natin. Bali, 4 yung procedures ngayon. So may dalawang spay na may kasamang bladder stone. So we already did that. Nauna yun, yung dalawa. So yun, recovered naman na silang dalawa. Missing naman na sila. So aside from that, meron din tayong perineal hernia. So yung perineal hernia, we need to do some cystopexy, colopexy. Kailangan natin ikabit kasi lumabas na yung bladder sa intestine doon sa hernia niya. Likewise, we also need to do neuter kasi may testicular cancer siya. So medyo complicated. Pero gising na natin. Bali, sunod-sunod silang gumamit ng recovery cage. Yung pinaka-last natin, ito si Hailey, bali may payo siya, yung pioneer, and at the same time may bladder stone din. Ayan, so natapos din. So we started at around 5:30 and it's already 12:30. Medyo matagal kasi yung isa, and then we also need to eat dinner. Ayan, so sleeping time na. Recovered na sila, so babantayan na lang sila ng assistant. So hopefully all of them will go home tomorrow kapag kumain na sila. Okay. So ayan.